Good afternoon, class 3. How are you all? Hope you all will be doing good in your home. So, students, welcome back to our video classes. After 1 week, we get the video class again. So, in the last class, we have completed the exercise of chapter number 19, locating places. Yes, now in this chapter, we are going to discuss the chapter again with a short recap and exercise of chapter number 20, means of communication. Okay, so let's start, students. Just I am giving you the short recap of the chapter as a revision. You must understand it. Then we will start the what? We will start the exercise. Okay, so means of communications means हम कैसे एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं. How we talk to each other, how we relate to each other, being in contact, है ना. So there are several means of communication. Okay, communication means sharing our feelings, our ideas, our informations, giving information to one another. Like news channels, we see the news channels through which we get the information. Like in different ways, we had a means of communication to one another. Okay, like nowadays people were using mobile phones, email, fax machine to give the information to any अदर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, हम लोग किसी और को कॉल करने के लिए नॉट टू एनी अदर स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रही हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मोबाइल फोन. yes, I'm communicating to you in the live classes, like also we communicate to each other. Okay, likewise we use different types of things to communicate with each other. So first one is the postal system. Postal system में क्या होता है, what will happen, I'm going to tell you. Okay, now what will happen in the postal system. So first, postal system is the cheapest means of communication. It means सबसे सस्ता, ठीक है, ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं लगते हैं इसमें. And we can use the postcards, inland letters, stamped envelopes and aerograms to convey our message, to send message to others. Okay, so first what we have to do, first we will have to drop a letter into the letter box in the locality. Now a postman come and take the letters to the post office. Okay, now third, a postmaster came and stamped on the letter. Okay, and according to the places they will arrange the letter. Okay, and they will send to the particular place. What? Now the third, they are sent these letters were sent to the destination with different means of transportation, like bus, trains and aeroplanes. And fifth हो गया, sixth, now a postal van will come and take the letters to the post office where near of that place, destination place, and a postman will take the postcards and the letters and give it to the particular person. Okay, now one more important topic is given in your book, like PIN, postal index number. Okay, postal index number means in every city or every proper place they give a postal index number that is called as PIN code, that is 6-digit postal index number. Okay, सबको ये देना हर शहर में ज़रूरी होता है. in every letter, whatever it is important, office documents, whatever it is, we have to provide PIN code. Even we can, which the things which we order online, okay, हम ऑर्डर करें ऑनलाइन से तो भी हमको उसको पिन कोड के थ्रू मंगाना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू राइट अ स्पेशल पिन कोड नंबर. कुरियर सर्विस, कुरियर से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें मंगाते हैं. इफ़ वी वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर रिलेटिव्स, इफ़ दे आर नॉट एबल टू कम, दे विल सेंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स थ्रू द कुरियर सर्विस. स्पीड पोस्ट के थ्रू भेज देते हैं. टेलीग्राम्स आर द शॉर्ट मैसेजेस विच कैन रीच टू आवर डेस्टिनेशन इन वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. ओके, telephones nowadays, they are the quickest means of transportation. We can make STD and ISD call. STD calls in the India, in our country, and ISD calls out of the India in abroad countries. Fax machine, it is a machine in which written messages were sent, photographs, music, whatever it is, we can in an electronic form, pictures we can send through the fax machine. Okay, now we are going to discuss, all of you page turn, cellular phone and email. cellular phone क्या होता है, mobile phones. Okay, nowadays these mobile phones were used in every place. ठीक है, हर जगह हमको दिखाई देता है. लाइक वी सेंड मैसेजेस, टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, हर किसी के पास ये मोबाइल फ़ोन है, हर कोई इसको यूज़ करता है. ओके. हमारा जो कम्युनिकेशन है इट विल वेरी गुड in terms of using this mobile phones. Emails were sent through the computer, laptops. Okay, in the emails important documents, important messages were sent to people. Okay, now we are going to do the exercise. Take the correct answers. Okay, so first, the cheapest means of communication is what? Which is the cheapest means of communication? Postal system. Option number A is correct. Postal system is the cheapest means of communication. ठीक है? Now the second one, the pin code has dash digit. How many digit has this pin code? Pin code has 6 digits. 6, okay? 6 digits. Now third one, which of the following is a wireless instrument? कौन सा है वायरलेस इंस्ट्रूमेंट? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वायरलेस इंस्ट्रूमेंट? सेल्युलर फोन. इट मीन्स मोबाइल फोन इज अ wireless instrument. Cellular phone is the wireless instrument, not the fax machine, not the TV. Cellular phones, mobile phones are the wireless instruments. Okay. Now the fourth one, emails are sent through. जो भी emails होते हैं वो कैसे send होते हैं? These emails, how they were sent through? They were sent through the computers. Okay, computer and the laptops were used to send the emails. So in your book options are given as computers. ठीक है? Clear हो गया? Okay. Now B. Circle the odd one. Give reason for your answer. Here we have to circle the odd ones and you have to give the reasons also. So I am giving the reasons. You people must write it down. Now, first one, postcard, inland letters, email, stamp. Which one is the odd one? Emails are the odd one because postcard, inland letters, stamps were used in the post office, not the email. Email is sent through the computer. Okay. Now the second one, local phone, courier, STD, ISD. Which is the odd one? Courier is the odd one because local phone, STD and ISD are the forms of telephone. है ना? We make a telephonic call to other, but courier service is used in the post office to courier letters by speed post. है ना? Okay. Now third one, train, letter, telegram, email. Train, letter, telegram, email. Train is the odd one. Why? Letter, telegram and email were the means of communications and train is the means of transportation. है ना? In chapter number 21 we have learned about means of transportation. Okay. So letter, telegram and email are the means of communication and train is the means of transportation. Clear हो गया? Now we are going to start C, fill in the blanks. क्या start करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग? C, fill in the blanks. Okay. One, take out your pencils and write the correct answers. First one, we drop our letters into a letter box. LETTER. Letter BOX. Box. Again I am telling the spelling. LETTER. Letter BOX. Box. Letter box. We drop our letter into a letter box which is red in color. Okay. Now the second one. A post office provides a courier mail service called speed post. पोस्ट ऑफिस हमको क्या कुरियर मेल सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है? इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्पीड पोस्ट. SPEED. स्पीड POST पोस्ट. SPEED स्पीड POST पोस्ट. स्पीड पोस्ट. ओके. वन कम टू पेज नंबर 95. थर्ड वन, वी कैन टॉक. ठीक है. थर्ड वन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द थर्ड वन. वी कैन टॉक एंड सेंड डैश ओवर सेल्युलर फोन. सेल्युलर फोन्स मीन्स मोबाइल फोन्स. हम लोग क्या भेज सकते हैं सेल्युलर फोन से? मैसेजेस. इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म इट इज सेड टू बी एस SMS. मैसेजेस, स्पेलिंग ऑफ मैसेजेस इज MESSAGES. मैसेजेस इट मीन्स SMS. ओके. नाउ फोर्थ वन, अ डैश sends a written message and letter in an electronic form. A fax machine. Fax machine, F-A-X, fax, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine, sends a written message and letter in an electronic form. Okay, we have completed the fill in the blanks also. Now D. Write the names of the following pictures on the dotted lines. Here 3 diagrams were given in your book. You have to write the names of the pictures in the dotted line. Okay, so first one is postcard. Which one is the first one? Postcard. P-O-S-T, post, C-A-R-D, card. Postcard is the first one. Now second one is a fax machine. It is a fax machine. A, fax machine. A, F-X, fax, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, fax machine. Okay, now the third one, cellular phone. It means mobile phone. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile, P-H-O-N-E, phone, and cellular phone spelling is C-E-L-L-U-L-A-R, cellular, P-H-O-N-E, phone. Cellular phone. First one is postcard, second one is a fax machine, third one is a cellular phone or mobile phone. You can write both. So we have completed all the exercise of chapter number 21. Hope you all students must complete your work on time. ठीक है, सबको अपना वर्क टाइम पे कंप्लीट करना, बिल्कुल कोई डिले नहीं होना चाहिए. एज यू ऑल नो दैट वी आर ब्रिंगिंग योर कॉपीज फॉर चेकिंग, सो आई मस्ट टेल यू एवरीवन दैट you must complete your work on time. ठीक है. Now in the next video class we will discuss the exercise of chapter 1 and the internal question which is given in your book in page number 96. Okay all of you. Till then take care of yourself everyone and repeat the chapter and read the chapter once again and again in every video class. I told you to read the chapter, है ना. And one more thing students, exercise I have given you and answer the following questions of the same chapter I have already given you in the Gurukul app in the answer key of December month. Go through it and complete your copy. I don't want any excuses. Okay, till then take care of yourself. See you all in the next class. अपना ध्यान रखो, अच्छे से रहो. Thank you so much class.